The research also backs this up. Harvard Business Review has conducted a number of research studies on the impact of trust on organizational well-being. And what they found is that employees in high trust organizations are more productive, more energetic, more collaborative, and they're retained longer. They stay with their company for a longer period of time. Now, I'm sure this doesn't surprise anybody, right? This makes sense that when we have an organization where we feel comfortable in and safe in, that the outcomes also reflect that. Now, to take it one step further, the research also showed that employees that work in high trust organizations experience and get to enjoy 106% more energy, 50% higher productivity, 13% fewer sick days, and 40% less burnout. So now we're starting to see a connection here that trust and well-being go hand in hand. And that when you have a high trust organization, that you feel less ill physically, our mental health is better taken care of, and burnout is reduced. And it makes sense because burnout's about having connection to resources, connection to our passion, our mission at work, and feeling as though there's enough capacity there to handle the tasks that are given to us. And